Learn how to make a Katana wrap fishtail paracord bracelet. Stay with us by the end of this video. Enjoy and have fun. Hello my friends, welcome back. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound, and that you're ready for another awesome paracord project. Today we're gonna use this gold paracord 550 and this dark blue also 550. The 4-strand bracelet core with 2 working ends. Full tutorial you have in the top right corner information cards, also down below in the description box. And if you want to learn how to make this beautiful paracord bracelet I'm wearing today, also information cards and in the description box you have the tutorial for this beautiful bracelet. So that being said, we're gonna start. I'm gonna zoom a bit so you can clearly see, and then we're gonna proceed. First we're gonna create the fishtail paracord bracelet for the base of this bracelet. So we're gonna take our right side cord and pass it from the top into the middle and to the side. Then we're gonna take our left side cord and we're gonna also pass it from the top into the middle and to the side. And we're gonna proceed again with the right strand from the top into the middle and to the side. Now this left strand from the top into the middle and to the side. So we finished our fishtail bracelet. Now we're gonna get our gold paracord and proceed to the katana wrap. So take the ends of a gold, cut them off like so, and we're gonna pull out the inner strands, and we're gonna have only the shell to work with. Now from here we're gonna take our right side gold cord and we're gonna place it on top, and then we're gonna twist it away from us, so to the buckle, like so. Now we're gonna take our left strand and we're gonna also place it on top of the fishtail bracelet, and we're gonna do the twist again away from us. And we're gonna proceed. Pass it under the bracelet, and this one also. Cross it from behind. Now again, take the right side, place it on top, then twist it away from you, like so. Now take the left strand on top of the fishtail bracelet and twist it away from you. Like so. And we're gonna proceed. So here we are, our today's project is finished. I hope that you like this bracelet. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and family. And if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. So that being said, until the next time, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best, and see you soon. Bye!